Yo, yo, yo. You know what time it is. It's another unboxing. I'm not sure which one this one is, but as usual, we'll both find out together. Ah, well, that's easy. That is easy. It's a Kobe. And it's a Kobe Protro. The Kobe 1. My very first pair. They redesigned these to not only be a retro, but to be able to play in. And this is the white, red, and black colorway. Ooh, these are crispy, man. I like it. Let me get out of the light so that you can see them. They got the ruffled leather on here. Man, I like that leather, man. Once again with a white shoe, but hey, these were too clean to pass up, buddy. The retro up-tempo. And now some people, they don't like the crinkle toe, but I like that, man. It's just an add to design there. You got all your Kobe aspects. You know, traction looks good. Zoom Air. I wonder how plush that Zoom Air is going to be. I'm not sure. But you got your rope laces here. See what the inside's doing. Can you see that? Houston, Denver. Not sure what that means. I'm not even going to act like I do. But I guess that's the this is the All-Star stamp for 2006. Which I'm sure he wore this shoe in the 2006 All-Star game or something like this. But this is a pretty solid shoe, man. I love these teeth. I always like the teeth on the side of the shoe, even with from the Barkleys to even the Kyries. I just like it. This is a clean leather finish, man. Nike has started to charge premium prices for leather for something we used to take for granted, you know. And so, you know, I guess it makes you appreciate the shoe more when you get, you know, a genuine leather shoe. So, you know, I think it's pretty nice, man. But we'll see how they wear. I can't wait to put them on. I can't wait to see what they're like. But there you have it. The Kobe Protro. Any questions? Just let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe.